Hello my beautiful people of the world, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, but probably welcome. Today we're going back to our roots. Literally, we are gonna try dyeing and cutting my hair. And as you can see, it is a complete and total tangled mess right now, but I haven't done anything to my hair in a while. As you can see, it's grown out a shit ton, 3-4 inches, I don't know. I want it to grow out, I want it to grow longer. However, I'm getting tired of this like not really blonde ends of my hair. What I decided we're gonna do. One half of this video, real excited about. The other half of the video, I'm excited about because at that part I'm gonna be cutting my hair. But what I'm doing, I'm very nervous about because I feel like not a lot of people are gonna like it. But you gotta do what you want and what you like. And if I want to cut my hair, then I want to cut my hair. And that's all there fucking is to it. The only hair dyes type things that I have in my household is one, a really bright red color. Already been there, already done that. Don't want to do that again. I really like silvery, blue, purpley type hair. And I just so happen to have some purple shampoo. I'm thinking what we're gonna do is we're gonna dye our hair with some goddamn purple shampoo. I looked it up. I think it's gonna work. I might try to put some a little up here to like try to ombre it, what the fuck ever. My hair is a little darker already. It's not like bleach blonde and I'm doing this. I feel like I'm gonna have to keep it in a while. And I also don't know how well it's going to turn out, but we will find out, shall we? Look how purple this is. I don't know if you can tell. You can kind of tell. Super dark purple. All right, I think I'm just gonna scoop it in, scoop it on. I don't really know any other way to do this right now, so I think that's gonna be able to get the most full coverage, so let's just go for it. It's already been done. Okay, here we go. Bam. Oh, thank God this shit smells good. I'm really tired of the blonde. It's not even like a fun blonde. It's not even a platinum blonde, which is how I like to have my hair if I'm doing blonde. I feel like I haven't changed my hair in a while, and I feel like changing my hair always puts me in a good, better mood. So that's what I need to do because I've been having a down time lately, if y'all couldn't tell. Hopefully I don't have to use this whole goddamn bottle. All right, I guess I'm gonna finish putting this in my hair and then I will get back with you all. Okay, so I got it all in my hair now. Hopefully I covered everything. It's hard to do it. I'm the only one doing it, but I got fucking purple all over me, as you can probably see. Maybe not, I don't know. It's all over my sink. I gotta clean now, but it's 5:30, so we're gonna leave this in till like 9 o'clock, and we'll see how it goes from there. Okay, so I'm gonna blow dry it, and we're gonna be able to see a little more. I don't think it's exactly the way I want it, but who knows? It may have done absolutely nothing. I have no idea. But first, to the scissor portion of things. So I was kind of thinking I would trim my ends because they're all dead and shit. However, I think I'm not, and I'm just gonna do my bangs. Nobody likes bangs. I fucking love bangs. So I'm going to give myself some fucking bangs. Let's take a decent amount here. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh man. Here we go. What am I doing? I just hope they're thick enough and don't look stupid. I'm not nervous about doing these bangs. I'm nervous about what people are going to think of them because that is the only reason that I haven't been doing them lately. So here we go. What you do, you take a section like that, twist it, and then let's cut right underneath. Holy fuck, as you can see, I have not had bangs in quite some time. Oh, scary, scary. Let's just go for it, shall we? Just do one single twist, so you just go twist. Let's start them long. Okay, obviously gotta go shorter, I was just scared. Try it one more time, but my hair is also wet, so it's going to be shorter when I dry it. So, and I somehow managed to keep the sides longer. Look at that. So like Oh, I kind of did it perfect. Okay, let's dry my hair and then we'll see what it looks like all done. And hopefully when I dry it, the color will be not as blonde. I think it's not going to have the full purple effect that I want because, well, I didn't leave it overnight. I feel like if I would have left it overnight, then there would have been a difference. But I'm gonna dry my hair and then we will see what it looks like. So this is what it has come out to. These are my bangs. I don't hate them. I'm happy I did it because I think whenever you put your hair up cute like this, I love the short bangs whenever I put my hair up and like do cute updos. I think it looks so cute. My purple hair has not really it kind of made it like silvery. I mean, you could tell right there for sure. It's not completely 100% dry yet, but this pretty much is. I mean, you could definitely see the difference. It's definitely got a silvery purple hue to it, but my hair was already a darker blonde. It wasn't like a bleach blonde. So if you did this with like super bleach blonde hair, then you'd be good. And you need to leave it in longer and make sure you get everywhere because there are a couple spots where there is still blonde, like you can see right there, that's blonde. Once it dries more, maybe I'll be able to style it and do something to it, but let me know what you guys think of the haircut, meaning my bangs. Let me know what you guys think of that. Are you a fan of bangs? I know most people are not, but I actually very prefer them, so that's why I did it. Yeah, let me know what you think of the color. I mean, I know it's hard to tell. It's not as light as I wanted it to be. It's just like a darker gray, a darker brown, blonde, weird. It's something going on. Something's going on. But I am happy for the change regardless because I needed some of that. So make sure to go ahead and like and subscribe on this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Go check out my Instagram for my latest post on my hair because I'm sure I'll do something to it and make it look real nice. So go check me out. Go check it out. Okay, bye.